3 years ago, we invented SwitchBot because we believe non-smart things can be smart with simple setup. With a 3-second installation, we make your light switch smart. We make your coffee machine smart, even your cat feeder. SwitchBot makes the non-smart smart. Now it is time to make your curtain smart, and here is why. Let's say you're enjoying a good movie on a lazy weekend afternoon. Look at that annoying glare. And it's always you who have to get up and deal with it. You finally decide to invest a fortune on a motorized curtain, only to find out that the quick start guide isn't so quick after all. Then you notice the fine print that says a power socket is required. The king of retrofit is back again. It took us 2 years to develop, craft, and test tirelessly. We tried and tested thousands of rods and rails, find every possible way to stress test it. Like this, and even this. It has been 3 years since our first Kickstarter project, and we have not let you down by shipping on time. We cannot grow without our community all around the world. With lots of valuable feedback, we listen, we fix, we iterate, and finally, we are here.